Old kitty at night. That's what you like. This must be what you like in the lounge, but you decided you're bringing your toys in here. Oops. You stop being annoying. Oh my gosh, I need to put him. He's just smacked his head on the roof. It's bedtime, boy. Bedtime. He brought that toy in from the lounge into the bedroom. And same with the other toy, but Jamie's already put the toys back. Yep. I just saw an orb. There's an orb near Belle. But he's too busy playing with the thing to notice. And another one. And another one. There's loads. Oh, where's all your toys? You keep hiding them. You got loads of toys somewhere. I can't find them all. I'm about to go out and babysit till 1. He's not coming this time as I'm only babysitting till 1. If it was tea time, babysitting till tea time, then he can come. But yeah, he can play here. And I'm going to separate the bird because he's climbed the cage. And I don't trust him. Nah, I know he won't hurt the bird because he is scared of the bird when he's near the bird. It's just the fact that he's going to wind the bird up. And the bird will wind him up. I'm going to speak to the back now. There's this one. I think he's missing somewhere. Right now he's happy, he's purring, but a minute ago he was just snapping the speaker. Someone's flew away. Oh, I dropped my phone. Yeah, someone's flew away. This one is actually missing him. He was sat on if you can see the speaker. He was sat on there looking out the window. Right now the cage is like, he's out there. Trying to get him to fly back in. But if I see the cat downstairs go near it again, I'm going to move the cage. Because he's not going to fly back in a cage when there's a cat there. But he's missing him. He's not even touched his dinner since he's knowing the bird's gone missing.
No, he might be.
Oh, no. He knows. He knows something's gone on. Yeah, the door is shut. Oh, is it not? Is that why it keeps banging? But yeah, my bird just flew away. Or canary. The part of the cage fell apart. Like, you got 2 little plastic bits at the side where you put the food. One's kind of hanging off. I should have sellotaped it. But that is the only way you can get the food out. Well, you can get it another way, probably. But I never thought about doing that. So I wish I'd taped that bit at the bottom. Because now it fell apart. Not fell apart, it's not broken or anything. It just unclipped and the bird just flew away. And Belle is feeling a bit lost because the bird's not here. They were in separate rooms. Like, he was in the lounge because I won't have the window open with the bird and with the bird in the same with the kitten in this room because I don't want the kitten flying outside. But he's not touched his food. I'm doing my vlog. You look at me like, what? I hope he comes home. I hope I find him. My second canaries flew away now. The other one flew away in 2015. This one it wasn't. Well, last time it wasn't my fault either. But hopefully someone finds him. I'm going to phone up RSPCA tomorrow, see if they've found him. Someone told me RSPCA, phone them up, but I can't till tomorrow now. No, but they can pick. They might have picked him up. He might have been found somewhere. He might have been found with like a broken foot or something. You'd be surprised how many pets they find. How many birds they find. Amount of birds I've seen on lost property. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll speak to you all later. I'm gonna do dinner and hopefully we find her. I mean her, I keep saying him, but I did say her that time and the time before. But I think I keep saying him. I know I'm not looking good in my dark, but I still want to see them bits and I can still see all that concern. But right now my concern is getting this bird home. So the cage is outside. Hopefully she flies into that. So yeah, right, I'm gonna go speak to you a bit. Bye for now. Yes, he's missing Summer.
No, I was reading a piece of paper and I got all this.
Yeah. He was crying at first. He knows that he's not here. She's not here. I'm just hoping he goes into his cage. It's out there. There's his cage. It's open. One of them, I've blended in one of them plastic bits there. Fell off. I think it's the wind.
And you're on the edge like me, like that.
Strode forward to Berger. That is a decent first touch, but good defending from Boy Sorensen.
Funny baby boy. He won't eat his dinner because he's missing the bird.
He might.
Belle, I know. You want Summer back. I know, baby. Belle. What's the matter? I love you. I love you. I know. You feel lost because you never sit on there. I know, baby. Oh, look at her. Look at him, Mummy. He feels lost. Oh, Belle. I love you. You're going to sleep. You're not even eating your food properly. You're taking ages to eat that food. You are eating it eventually.
Come here then.
Belle, you keep crying. Belle, you can put your hand in front of the... I know. He just doesn't know what to do with himself. He just feels lost. You keep crying. You're missing Summer. He just sat there a moment ago, and now he's there. I'm crying. You're missing Summer. Such an affectionate cat, whatever the word is. Affectionate. He. He. Yeah. He's crying. Is he actually asleep or watching TV? I think he's asleep. Yeah, he's asleep. Birdie's still no sign. You're doing well today, you're eating, so think he's not that as bothered as he was yesterday, but he's still probably worrying. Everybody is. Good kitty, isn't he? Hasn't eaten all this dinner. Bow. Bow. Hey, yo. I know, yeah. I love you too. Make up his mind, and I asked him, can you not make up your mind? And he goes, and he meows at me like he's telling me, no, I can't make up my mind where I want to be. One minute he's on me, then he's on Daddy, then he's on me, then he's on Daddy. Well, he's only been on Daddy's once. He's been on me twice today. Belle? 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 It's like, leave me alone, I'm going to sleep now. I don't want to be on camera. Belle? I love you. I love you. Belle, Belle. I'm not going to turn you back to me. This is my most answers where he doesn't answer me. Is that right? Just made a little weird noise. Cutie noise. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're cute. You can hear him purring. He's like, get off the camera and just to stroke me. Hell. How could you sit like that? You're stuck. You're stuck. You're stuck. Babe. He's asleep. It's really hard to take video, but yeah. This is how we're sleeping. He's going for a wander. Let him go.
I don't want him to.
Hello, Bubbles. Hello, Bubbles. I think, Bradley, could you put some clothes on because your mummy will be home soon?
She's trying to get.
I love this baby boy and I love that boy. Oh, that's the TV. That baby boy. He's asleep. Sleep. You're licking my ear. Oi! Stop being annoying. He's been awake all day. So annoying him. He's still asleep and he's cuddling mummy.
Because you need to fucking get a lunch.
I love this baby. Go on then. Coming? You coming with us? You coming with Mummy and Daddy? You coming? See you later. Come on then, Belle. Come on. Good boy. Come on then.
Boy.
Good boy. He's doing good on the outside. And he's not running away from us, which is good to find out.
Good boy. Come on.
He's doing well. Keeps making sure I'm coming. Keeps making sure that I'm coming. Come on then. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
What's this? Oh, what's this?
After a nice long walk. Well, actually, I wouldn't say nice long walk. It was a nice walk, just the fact that you wouldn't walk because you're crying at everything. You didn't want to walk very far, but you did run at the end when we got near it. When we got back home, you knew where he was. You started running just down the road from us. And then you started running when we got to... Where did you start running? I let you off the lead when we got to ours, and you knew where you was. And then you climbed the wall because because the door wasn't open. You're used to the door being open when I take you for a walk. So you climbed the wall. I was like, get down from that wall. You know where you live, but you're just crying, climbing up the wall, thinking, I can't get in my home. So you climbed the wall, didn't you, little man? Yes, you. But I caught him. I got him down, and I opened the door, so I let him run ahead, because I know he knows where he lives. I can trust him, because he does it all the time. He runs home. Jamie's usually in front of him. We just groomed ya. I just groomed you. He's probably going for a drink now. And something to eat. It's quite hot out there. Bless him. Sorry about the mess. This is toys. And that plastic bag is from yesterday that I need to take back to Emma's. But yes. Them boxes he uses to play with. He prefers them boxes than anything else. And my nails are painted by a little kid yesterday. Right, I'm going to go. Speak to you in a bit. Bye for now. That's what he does when he wants a fly or a wasp. But lucky enough, I got rid of the wasp. It went outside, so now it's just a fly. You can see it. You're so funny. An indoor cat. Yeah? Is that right? Do you know what I think? That I meant to say it's because you never want to go outside when I take you on walk. But you do want to go when Daddy takes you on walks, but not me. But he's not bothered. He always runs back when he gets near here. He knows where he's going, don't you? You know where you're going. Well, you go to, once you get on your way back, once you get to the bottom of our road, like down that way, he's like running and he's like, I live here. And I'm like, yes you do. And then when we get towards the bit of my road, I let him run. It keeps his lead on so I can catch it if anything needed to. If I need to, if he runs past me. But it's quite good. He runs straight to the block of flats, but as he did today, because the door wasn't left open, he climbed a wall because he was crying that he couldn't get in. I'll have a long walk later. Do a long walk later. Yeah. Playing with my toes. I love this boy. He was going to clean today, but I might just clean up, not spring clean. So I just spring cleaned the other day. Bell bells. Thing is, when he bites and then he licks like he's sorry. I love this boy. Yes, I love this boy. Yes, I do. You're my baby. Someone's cat just got run over. Kitten got run over. 10 weeks old. They lost their cat, escaped and got run over. I'm glad this one doesn't really tend to go outside. I'd hate it if this one got run over. Someone's cat's just died. It was horrible to see. Thinking, oh, it's this one, but he doesn't get to go outside. He doesn't go outside without a lead, but he won't go outside on his own accord. Like try and open the door to make him like think, oh yeah, let's try outside, and he doesn't. He's too scared of going in the road. I have to pick him up, go across the road. I'm taking him for a walk. Don't I, baby boy? Yes. You've got your foot stuck. Let me get your foot out. There you go. Now do it. He's got a new colour. New colour. Yeah, new colour. New colour. Hey, boy one. It's yellow. Well, it's green. Not yellow. Why did I say yellow? It's actually green. It looks yellow in the video. That's why I said yellow. But it is actually meant to be green. It is green colour. You got a greeny colour. Yeah, see, it's green. Been doing this since I actually put the collar on. It's a little bit big, but there's special safety ones, so if it gets caught anywhere, it can come off easily. And where's his cute tiny one? A kitten's probably on it. Can't let him play with it. I can't find it, but I'll show you. It's the old one. It's so tiny. Yeah. That one's just massive on him, look. I'm not sure I can put 3 fingers in there without a doubt. I have this, but this kitty's gone mad. You watch. Bow. Oh, you're being innocent. I didn't even wind him up. He started doing this first. He's getting his tail now. Bow. I can't put my arm down. Look, watch. The amount of scratches I've got on there. Stop it. You watch. He'll jump up to me once he realises it's biting his tail. What are you doing, Belle? Oh, he's left me alone. Completely covered in scratches. It's only a kitty. Will you let me stroke you? You're gonna fall. There we go. Ah! Watch this. Watch this little. He's down there now. I need to clean up. When he was a baby, and he looks like he's going to pounce on me in a minute. That's this baby one. So his head got a bit bigger, but it was more about that. It was a bit smaller. It was probably cut about that much off, and that's how small. That's how he lays. Mess. Well, that piece of paper was up here. Kitten likes to play with the paper. That bag was obviously, you know, apart from the boxes or the kitten's toys. I ain't cleaned up. I'm having a lazy day today. And that rubbish is what he picked up as well. He likes to pull paper off sides and onto the floor. He makes a mess. Bo! Bo! He's got a new collar. Bo! Hello! As you see. Bo! Bo! Now he's playing. Been waiting for him to play for a while, but he's been too busy cleaning. Oh, sorry. Yeah, he's got a new collar on. Bo! Quite happy because he's fresh air, but I've got him on a lead and it's attached to my leg. And every time he goes towards that window, he can only get to a certain part of the window, like right there, and that's about as he can go because I stop him. He's only got a certain limit. When he's on this floor, then he runs around, like I let him go. But when he gets up there, that's when I hold the lead, so he doesn't wander off out the window. He's quite happy with the fresh air there. Otherwise, I wouldn't have him on the lead if the window's shut. And I don't hold his lead when he's running around the flat. It's only when he gets on there that I hold his lead. Oh? What are you doing? He's trying to join in. Belle, off the TV. Belle! Belle! You're in the TV. Stop it. It's when you go over there to stop him, I will stop this because you're not even dressed. I'm trying to film there. I don't want to film anymore. No.
I think this is the happiest I have seen Scooter in a long time.
It really looks as if I've run into something at
Well.
the dead end.
You're massive, aren't you, baby boy?
I won't give up now.
He's on a lead so he doesn't go out the window.
Eventually, I get the name of a fisherman who
So he can't hang out the window properly.
but not here in Iceland.
But he's loving it.
He's 1,000 miles away.
You're loving it, aren't you? You're loving the fresh air.
I'm heading to the
Bo!
capital of the Viking seafaring.
Hey, yo! Hello, beautiful boy.
I've been given the name of a professional fisherman.
Don't always answer to his name, so I just click my fingers.
Next Trondheim to the sea. I'm told he's
That was just a reflection in the window.
this mysterious giant shark on rod and line. I hear that Frederick Cullen even has photographs of this strange.
You're a bit tangled there. You're the one that keeps wrapping around. Well, yeah, okay. I think you need to go the other way. Come round that way. Come this way. This way. Look at that. There you go. Keep getting yourself tangled.
The skin underneath certainly it's not that rough feel, but it's possible.
And this is why you're on a lead, because of the windows open. And I don't want you going out the window.
Sharks and skates are among the few fish that can survive being brought up from such depths. They haven't evolved the
That a good old scratch there.
Living in a weird environment. Some
Belle?
people spend their lives waiting for such a chance encounter with a monster, both here and at Loch Ness. The big Greenland shark still eludes me. That thing is actually rarer.
Belle?
Where's the shark? Hours melt into days, and I begin to lose myself in the eerie whistling of the lines. After fishing 400 rod hours and reeling in 50 miles of line, is my
He's gonna launch. Go get it! There's a fly! Fly!
Fans are gathering all over the country. This is what we've all been waiting for. Fasten your seatbelt. Now on ITV4, the contents of the lockers.
It's always when I go to get the camera out, he doesn't do what he was doing before.
Your mum, Bernadette, went on to
That one's open. Joy country. That one's open.
He's gonna run off with it. Wait! Don't just hide from me. Thank you. You just had some treats. Ah! Ow! You little shit! What are you doing like that for?
The good news is steps have got back together.
How he's sleeping.
The sheep on
Today.
the right sarcastically mocks the noise his friend makes. Alright, don't take the mickey. Loving the sideburns, by
That
the
feel
way.
good like that. Yeah,
When
Bell
Sean
Bells.
Cole spoke in America, this is all they heard.
Sleep. Yeah.
Toyota Aris Hybrid sponsors ITV Movie.